大路高海，草木后烟后出，嘎起木根的特拉木秀，我一度能说，路这根的要有拉头，特别到对个心目黑路内把命，大系统的咕噜写成啥都起命，连路那天里起爆的到了我内，连路那古天里起爆到了我内，大路一路也懂得古青龙。努那么傻叉的是你的里头，懂得哭着给撒着几道报答，你努那古典里有几道路啊，你那哦，大路一路也懂得古青龙。努那么傻叉的是你的里头，懂得哭着给撒着几道报答，你努那古典里有几道路啊，你那。
Alright, so finally got the bumper fenders in. About to pull the car out just to get a review. right, you guys, so finally done with the project. I mean, not done, but I still gotta paint it, right? I'm debating. I just primer it up so that I can either, you know, prep it to wrap or prep it to paint. So here it is. So I did the radiator support, but it's aftermarket. So for I should have gotten like an OEM one. I couldn't find any at the junk at all. When I found one, I already bought this, so I was like, whatever, I'll just rock this for now. So it's not the best. As you can see, there's gaps here and there, but you know what, I'm just glad that it's back into its original front end. So yeah, aftermarket headlights, but overall the car is it's what I want. Gonna get some suspicions pretty soon here. It's gonna start to drop this car a little bit. It's sitting low. It's sitting pretty much stock. Still got some stock springs. The car is pretty much all stock. Suspicion all around. So yeah. But yeah, I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. It was a great project. Prep to paint or prep to wrap, I'm not sure yet. Still gotta save up for that, and I definitely don't want to do like a crappy paint job. So I thought about doing it myself, but you know what, I don't want to. I gotta treat this thing better. Gotta give it what it's worth. So yeah, until next time, guys, peace out.